doTERRA Convention 2018, and I wanted to show what we've got in the box. These are all the new products that just came out. This guy is out of the box. This is On Guard mouthwash. I haven't tried it yet. I'm just bringing you in on the unboxing. So On Guard mouthwash. They're developing some new deodorants, which is awesome. Everybody's always concerned about finding a good non-toxic deodorant. So this one's called Balance. Also excited to check that out. And this is body mist they just came out with. It's oils, like moisturizing oils, and then the scent is a blend called Beautiful that I've never smelled before, but I guess it's a pretty popular one. So it's every direction you can spray it, so you can spray it on your legs and arms and then rub it in. So just kind of a fun spa product. And green mandarin is one new oil that they're carrying, and my dog is enjoying it. This one is yarrow oil mixed with pomegranate oil. This is turmeric. I think I might be most excited about this guy. And this one I'm pretty excited about too. This is pink pepper, and you can take it internally, and it's like super good for cell repair, cell replication, and then also destruction of unhealthy cells. So I didn't prepare all the medical uses of all these, but that one's a pretty cool one. Magnolia is a new one that they've gotten from China. They've harvested from China, and I think it's in the Melissa and Helichrysum family. And then they made a soft gel of Copaiba. So Copaiba is great for pain and anxiety. So this just makes it a more convenient way to take it. So I think that's pretty awesome. And the last item, which is kind of the highlight of the whole thing, and I think it's going to be one of the best-selling products that doTERRA makes, is this kids kit. So it comes with a little kit that kids can carry around and keep in their bedrooms. And it's got 6 oils in it and some little flashcards. So these are the cards to learn about the 6 oils. Oh yeah. And it comes with these little carabiners and caps. So the kids can kind of learn which one is which. For instance, this is the oil called Thinker, and it's kind of yellow. So you can put the little cap on, and then the kid kind of can remember, okay, I learned my Thinker from this card, and it's the yellow one, so they don't even really have to be able to read well to be able to use these oils. So it's pretty awesome. These are 10 ml rollerballs, and there's 6 in here total. 2 are kind of for mental, and 2 are for body, and 2 are for spirit. So there's sort of one that's grounding and one that's uplifting in every category. So this is kind of the emotional one called Steady, when kids kind of need to feel more grounded. I think this is a physical one. It's called Rescuer. They all have really cute names. So Thinker, Rescuer, Steady, Brave. That's adorable. And let's see, Stronger. And last guy is Calmer. So, the kids will learn it from the cards, and if they need something, the dose is really safe if they want to be oh, I need my purple one, and they can go get it. So I think this item is going to be really great. The wholesale price is $95 or $97. So yeah, I think this is going to be really popular with moms. So that's all the new stuff. We'll keep talking about it. But yeah, I wanted to give you the introduction. Thanks for watching.